stand by me.
Thank you for coming out today for me and Imran. Very special thanks to all of the guests from really far. I know it took a lot of effort to get here. All the friends, all the families, I really appreciate you guys being out here. I tried to write a speech, but it didn't work out because every time I tried to write it, either I got emotional or someone disturbed me and I forgot what to write. So I'm just basically saying whatever comes to mind, but I just want to say sincere thanks to everyone for being here, to helping with the preparations, to make this day special for me and Imran. It will indeed be a very memorable one. I know I'll definitely remember things that happened tonight when the party actually gets going. And I hope everyone can have a really great time. I've always wanted to come here and get married, like from my house. So for me to be here today, it's actually a really, really happy moment for me. And to have all my neighbors, and like Bindi said, it's the first time ever all of the family members for the Sheriff family and my family, Sukram, we're all together under one roof. So I'll finally get that perfect family picture. So thank you guys all for being here.
Yeah. Good afternoon, everyone. Well, my beautiful wife, she actually said practically everything I was going to say. So basically, we're a couple, so we share stuff. So basically, I'm going to say thank you all for coming out. I greatly appreciate it. And like you said, let's get the party started.
I found a love for me. Darling, just dive right in and follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet.